Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural hair care. If you've ever struggled with dryness, dandruff, frizz, or even hair loss, you're in the right place. We're bringing you some amazing DIY remedies to tackle all your hair woes using ingredients you probably already have at home. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on the journey to healthier, happier hair. Does your hair often feel dry and frizzy? No worries. Coconut oil has your back. Just warm up some coconut oil, massage it into your scalp and hair, leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if you can. Then rinse with a mild shampoo. This will deeply hydrate your strands, leaving them smooth and free from frizz. Dandruff can be super annoying and itchy. Here's a simple fix. Mix equal parts lemon juice and yogurt. The lemon balances your scalp's pH, while the yogurt soothes any irritation. Apply it to your scalp, let it sit for 30 minutes, and rinse well. Do this regularly and watch your dandruff disappear. Struggling with hair fall? Try using amla or Indian gooseberry. Amla strengthens hair from the roots, promoting healthier growth. Just make a paste with amla powder and water. Apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. This powerful remedy helps to reduce hair fall over time. An oily scalp making your hair feel greasy? Fresh aloe vera gel is the answer. Apply it directly to your scalp, leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse. Aloe vera helps control excess oil and balances your scalp's pH, leaving your hair feeling light and refreshed. If your hair looks dull, give it an apple cider vinegar ACV rinse. Mix 1 part ACV with 2 parts water and pour it over your hair after shampooing. Leave it for a few minutes, then rinse. ACV removes buildup, closes hair cuticles, and brings out a beautiful shine. For those pesky split ends, argan oil is a miracle worker. Just apply a few drops to the ends of your hair daily. Argan oil keeps your hair hydrated and prevents further damage, making your ends look smooth and healthy. Experiencing hair thinning? Rosemary oil can help. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and massage into your scalp. Rosemary oil boosts blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting thicker, fuller hair. For those who want more volume, eggs are a great solution. Whisk 1 or 2 eggs, apply from roots to tips, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Eggs are packed with protein, which strengthens hair and adds volume. If your scalp itches, tea tree oil is your go-to. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil, massage it into your scalp, and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties that reduce itching and keep your scalp healthy. To reduce breakage, try aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your hair, focusing on the lengths and ends, and leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. Aloe vera contains vitamins and minerals that strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. Want to slow down graying? Amla is your solution again. Boil dried amla pieces in coconut oil until they turn black, then strain. Massage this amla oil into your scalp to help darken gray hairs and improve overall hair health. If you struggle with scalp psoriasis, neem oil can help. Mix it with a carrier oil and massage into your scalp. Leave it for a few hours or overnight. Neem oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties will soothe irritation and reduce redness. And there you have it. 12 amazing natural remedies for common hair problems. Remember, natural remedies take a bit of time and consistency, but with regular care, you'll start seeing a difference. Keep a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and manage stress for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips. See you next time.